This is Cloudy Onyx Silver, a polished porcelain tile with a soft, cloudy appearance that is as beautiful as its name suggests. Produced using the latest inkjet and manufacturing technology, Cloudy Onyx Silver is able to replicate the luxurious look and feel of the finest white marble, yet still carry the low maintenance and long lifespan of tar. Not only does Cloudy Onyx Silver offer that characteristic marble aesthetic of reflecting light to make spaces seem more spacious, it is also equally tough and easy to clean with its smooth texture and gloss finish. Cloudy Onyx Silver is suited to interior floors and walls, setting a serene tone in bathrooms and bedrooms, and creating a stylistic harmony in kitchens and living areas, as it sits comfortably next to natural elements such as wood and pairs well with glass and metal finishes. Delicate and elegant, Cloudy Onyx Silver is guaranteed to bring a sense of luxe to any home it goes into.